If you've been wanting to start a business, then I'm going to prove to you why now is the best time to start. Let's get right to it. Look, I don't know where you are in your situation, whether you're stuck at a job that is not great, or maybe the thought of constantly hitting a ceiling year after year and never quite having that freedom that you're looking for, that freedom to, make your own calendar and not be a slave to an alarm clock. Whatever your starting situation is, wherever you are, nothing is going to give you the ultimate freedom and the ultimate no ceiling type of living and potential like a business, okay? Now, there are some great jobs out there, but chances are if you have one of those types of careers, you're not watching this video, okay? But I mean, businesses are so great that even professional athletes, after they're done being athletes, what do? For the most part, they go off and start a business. They start multiple businesses. And that is a mindset. I mean, when I was younger, I wanted to be a baseball player, more than anything in the world. And obviously some things got in the way and I wasn't good enough, but I'm gonna say the things got in the way. But anyway, the point is that when that fell through, my dreams still existed. My dreams of, living a lifestyle where I'm not punching a clock every day, that was still real to me. And I had a solid job. I had a bunch of jobs that when I look back, I can say they were solid. At the time, I wasn't too, happy to have them. But ultimately, I kept hitting this ceiling where it was look, I'm here hitting this ceiling, but what the life I want is up here. The life of freedom, the life of I want to drive the car I want to drive. I want to live in the house I want to live. I'm not going to be able to do that with this job. Even if I got a second job on top of that job, I'm still not making it happen. So the point is, probably if you're clicking on this video, you've probably thought about starting a business before, and maybe your starting point is similar to mine, where you're just I need to get out of this place. I need to create something new. I need to reinvent myself. If that's you, I'm gonna tell you right now, there's never been a better time to start. Now, the time of this video, we are entering a recession, right? And I know it's not being reported, but if you're paying attention, if you know what you're looking for, it's not just high gas prices. There's a number of factors that will lead you to see the same conclusion, that we are headed for some pretty dark times economy-wise. Now, how fast the rebound, that I'm unaware of. I'm not an expert in that space. I just do pay attention and I listen to other experts in the space. And it seems pretty unanimous that it seems that to varying levels of degree, that's where we're all heading. So how do we get prepared? Well, I say one of the best things you can do is start a business, because what we've learned during the pandemic was no job is secure for the most part, right? It just seems I know a lot of people who were laid off in that time because they thought I'm in a secure position, I have nothing to worry about. And they were laid off and they had nothing to fall back on. I mean, they had, government assistance at the time, thank goodness, but after that, what was left? Well, a lot of my friends were in a position where they had to start recreating themselves and start dusting off that resume to go start something new. And all throughout that time, I'm just start a business, start a business, start a business, start a business. All right, if I'm telling you now's the best time, but I'm also saying that it seems we're headed for some pretty dark financial times, why would starting a business be the best thing to do? Well, the reason why I say that is because in these times, people are always rising up. And a lot of times it's people who are new. A lot of new business owners come in and they provide something great, like a service, okay? My business, my main business is a cleaning company. And it's a commercial cleaning company. It's just for offices, and that's something that you're going to see, even in a recession, is going to do well, because while businesses are open, you're not going to have a CEO cleaning their own bathrooms. Not the accounts we're looking at anyway. So you start a business like that, doesn't have to be that business, but just any business like that in general, you're going to rise to the top. Those service-based businesses are it's the cream. The cream is going to rise to the top. And a lot of times during good economies, you don't have to be that good to stand out. If anything, you can be a bit lazy and still win in business, because it's a time when most people are winning. So in these times, a lot of those people are going to, unfortunately, lose their spot. A lot of my competition in my area, they're gonna lose their spot. So we're in a position where we're going to be trying to acquire businesses around in the area. We're gonna try to buy smaller cleaning companies. But we couldn't be in that position if I never started my company. I could never be in this position to say oh, you know what, I'm gonna continue, we're gonna prosper this way of now we're in a position where we could acquire other companies. Now again, it's not just, this goes for any type of business like that. You know, the first key is starting a business that is recession proof. You gotta think about that. What's the type of business that even when things are bad, people are still gonna pay, right? It's kind of like one of those things where people are still gonna pay for cable. People are not gonna shut their phones off because times are hard. You start looking at things like that, you start saying like, oh wow, these things are actually secure. Okay? You start thinking about something like real estate. Is real estate gonna essentially like crash? I have no idea. But the point is, people still need a place to live. So as far as rental properties, that's probably still a safe investment. But maybe buying houses and renting houses, I don't know. That may not be as safe. But again, that's out of my depth. I'm not a real estate guy. But I'm just trying to say, I want you to get your mind thinking. And this is what I'm trying to tell you. This is the best time to start. If you can find a recession-proof business like mine, you are good to go. And now is the best time to start because a lot of people are gonna fall to the wayside. And now you have to come across with something different. If you can step up, if you can bring your expertise into, let's say like a service type industry, like commercial cleaning, if you can bring that in, you're going to win. You're going to win big time. And the demand is going to be so much higher because like I said, the smaller companies that really weren't bringing it, they're like maybe treating their company like a side hustle. Sadly, they're going to fall to the wayside. And companies like yours, you come in, you start with the right intention, you're going to crush it. Absolutely. That's why I say it's the best time to start. So if you're in a position where you're tired of hitting your ceiling and you're ready to start a business, you need to do that. And if you're curious about what type of business to start, check out this video right here. Also, if you're interested more about the business I started, the absolute recession-proof business, check out my book, Pick Up Cash, Not Trash. You can get that in the first comment. It's absolutely free, cover the shipping, and it's sent right to you. I'll see you in the next one.